Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the task view icon in your taskbar in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and ready to use. Wait for everything to load completely so you're at your main desktop screen. This ensures that all system settings are accessible and nothing is still initializing in the background. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, locate your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click anywhere on the taskbar to bring up a context menu. This menu gives you quick access to various taskbar customization options without having to dig through the Settings app. It's one of the fastest ways to make quick adjustments to how your taskbar looks and functions. From the context menu that appears, look for an option that says Show Task View button. This is the key setting that controls whether the task view icon appears on your taskbar or not. The Task View button is really useful because it lets you see all your open windows and virtual desktops at once, making it easier to switch between different tasks and organize your workspace. Now here's how it works. If you want to enable the Task View icon, simply click on Show Task View button. You'll notice a check mark appears next to this option, and immediately you'll see the Task View icon appear on your taskbar. This icon typically shows up as a small rectangle with overlapping windows, and clicking it will display all your currently open applications and virtual desktops in a clean, organized view. If you want to disable the Task View icon and remove it from your taskbar, just click on Show Task View button again. The checkmark will disappear and the Task View icon will be removed from your taskbar. This is helpful if you prefer a cleaner, more minimalist taskbar, or if you simply don't use the Task View feature very often and want to free up that space. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled the Task View icon in your Windows 11 taskbar. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.